If you're part of a team plan and your team administrator has configured the ScreenPal LTI plugin with Schoology, you can add ScreenPal content to your Schoology courses. To begin, log into Schoology and select a course. Ensure that Materials is selected from the menu on the left. Click the Add Materials drop-down. Here, select ScreenPal. This opens the Add Materials page. If you have a ScreenPal account and are logged into it on your current computer, your ScreenPal content is displayed. If not, you will need to log in or create an account before you can proceed. To insert a video into the course, make sure the Videos tab is selected. Click the video you would like to add. Select the video options you would like to enable. You can show or hide the video title. Make captions available. Hide or enable the player controls, which allow your learners to do things like skip through the video and change the playback speed. Display or remove the timeline icon on the player, which enables viewers to open the video timeline or transcript in the sidebar. Automatically begin playing the video when the page opens. And make your video background transparent, rather than black. When you've selected your preferred options, click Embed Video. You'll see the content you added right here. You can create recordings on the fly and add them to Schoology too. Follow the previous steps for adding course materials. On the ScreenPal content selection box, click the Create button. And then select Record Screen, Camera. This opens the screen recorder. Just record your video. When you're finished, click the Share button. And publish the video to your ScreenPal hosting account. Back in Schoology on the ScreenPal content page, click Refresh. The video you just uploaded is displayed right here. Click it. Select your preferred options. And then click Embed Video. You can also add ScreenPal images in Schoology. On the ScreenPal content selection box, click Images. Click the image to insert. And then click Embed Image. You can create quizzes in ScreenPal and add them to Schoology. You can even choose to automatically sync your students' quiz scores with your Schoology gradebook. For details about how to sync your ScreenPal quiz results, see our tutorial titled Sync ScreenPal Quiz Scores to your Schoology gradebook. In the next example, we'll show you how to add ScreenPal content to an assignment. You may want to add a collection of images and videos to a course, so students can watch them within Schoology without any ads or recommended content shown to them. To do this, you can insert a ScreenPal channel. To add a channel as an assignment, click Add Materials. Click Add Assignment. Enter a title. And enter any text you would like to use for the assignment description. Next, click the Insert Content icon. And then click ScreenPal. In the Content selection box, click Channels. Click the channel you'd like to add. Here you will see a preview of all the videos and images that are currently in the channel. If everything looks good, click Continue. Select the channel options you prefer. You can enable captions and allow your viewers to add their own recordings to this channel using the channel recorder. This option is only available if Allow Users to Launch Recorder in Channel is turned on for the selected channel. Click Embed Channel. Back on the assignment dialog, click Create. When your students view the assignment, They will be able to click the channel and view all the content within it. You can have your learners record their own videos without downloading the ScreenPal application by embedding the channel recorder on its own. To do this, first create or edit the channel to which students will upload their videos. Be sure that the Allow Users to Launch Recorder in Channel option is on. Depending on your selection for recording method, when students launch the recorder, a simplified version of the ScreenPal screen recorder will open on their desktop, or the online screen recorder will open in their browser. For more details about all the channel recorder options you see here, please watch our channel recorder tutorial. In this example, we'll show you how to add the channel recorder to a discussion, but you can also add it as part of the course materials or as an assignment. Click Add Materials, Add Discussion. Enter a discussion title and a description. Click the Insert Content icon, and then select ScreenPal. Click the Embed Recorder tab. Select the channel to which you want your students' videos to be uploaded. Click Embed Channel Recorder. Back on the discussion dialog, click Create. Within the discussion, students can click Launch Recorder to record their own videos and upload them to the selected channel. Engage every learner with ScreenPal.